Too close. All right, so it is Thursday, coming up to the end of February, and I just got done finishing up a call with a new client that's starting up next month. And the plan here today is Alicia, Janick, and Celine. They're going to be coming over, and well, Celine lives here because she's my wife, but Janick and Alicia are coming over, and we are going to be studying digital marketing. They're going to be watching me set up this account from scratch, how I would do it, because they're trying to get into a career in digital marketing. This will be an easy way for them to get like first-hand experience, because I'll be giving them kind of things to like they can do and follow along with, that they know how to set up a client from scratch. So we're gonna get them set up here. They're gonna be coming in the afternoon. I'm gonna eat lunch first. Yeah, it's 11:30 right now, so it's just about lunchtime. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get them set up here, and we'll see how this day goes. Now, the way I do this is when I don't know what a keyword is.
Hi.
For example, what you doing?
Just learning about keyword research.
So just like this, and see if the search
this guy sounds really handsome.
Yeah, I have a crush on him. He's my teacher, but it's fine.
So today on the menu, classic mac and cheese, and Alicia and Janick should be here any second now. Celine is currently studying the Career Launcher, the program that I put together, which is actually kind of hilarious. I can hear myself in the background, which is kind of trippy. Celine, how's it going?
It's going good.
Very good.
I'm gonna ace whatever we're gonna be doing later.
You excited to learn?
Am I excited to learn?
Yeah.
So excited.
That sounds sarcastic.
I'm so excited.
That sounded even more sarcastic, but okay. Yeah. Today should be fun.
Hello.
Well.
Hi.
The prodigies have arrived.
The prodigy lives here.
Okay, we'll set your laptops on this desk here for now. And then, yeah, what we'll do is just crowd around my desk. And then I'll just run you through some things, what we're going to be doing. I feel like a professor right now. This is actually kind of crazy.
Is it bad if I have a crush on the professor?
Oh, yeah, I guess you want to introduce yourselves? So this year, you are?
Alicia.
Hi, I'm Janick.
Hi, I'm Celine.
Okay. We are done here. How do you guys feel about what you learned today?
Good. It's great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everything made sense? Not too confusing?
No.
Good, cool.
Thank you.
Well, thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Celine, you can stay after class.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Hey, yo, that's my sister.
You did great.
Who actually did good, Cody?
Who did the best?
Who did the best?
Yes.
Janick had the least mistakes, but he also had the least amount of work to do.
But the
That's
best
true.
work.
I think Celine crushed it. I'm gonna be honest.
Celine.
I think you did good too.
I mean,
No, did you see what I did? I just went like.
You guys all did well. You just needed a little bit of correcting, and next time it'll be way better.
Hear it from
See
the
ya.
big man. I did the best.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
He knows that I actually did the best. Just kidding.
Okay. So I think that went well. Now the plan is to get some supper. And I have a lot of work to do, so I'm probably going to get some energy drinks and then either head to volleyball, meet up with Janick again, or we'll just grind out an evening of work. We'll see where the day takes us. Okay, so what a day it's been. Teaching in person, I will say it's much different than teaching online or through the camera lens. But it was great. It was a lot of fun. It was good seeing Alicia, Janick, and Celine learning so quick. And I can't wait to see how fast they get their careers here in digital marketing. But yeah, we are getting supper now. My favorite meal, Mexican food. And I cannot wait. I personally get the chimney platter every single time because that is my favorite meal that they got here at Del Rio's. And it's on special. Thursday has a chimney platter special. So lucked out today, I guess. Alright, so we have got the goods, but we still have one more stop that we need to make. Gotta get those energy drinks for tonight, just in case I'm putting in a late work night. Off to Temple. Okay, so we have secured the fuel for tonight. Gonna get a good meal in, put some gasoline in the tank for tonight. Let's see what the schedule looks like right after we're done eating here. Also, it's the end of February and things are melting, so everything's just so gross right now. It's just brown and water everywhere. I need to wash my car, but it doesn't pay to wash the car when you just go through a puddle in 2 seconds and get everything dirty again. But it's warmer weather, so who am I to complain? Alright. Celine, what did you get?
I got melanesa.
Melanesa. I don't know if you consider that Mexican food, but
I would say so.
yeah,
Right?
it's good nonetheless. But let me show you the real prize. Boom! Can't even tell what this is on camera. But this is the chimney platter. It is delicious. My favorite meal coming from Del Rio's.
Yeah.
Alright, let's dig in.
Alright.
Okay, you're off to your parents' house?
Yep.
Leave me alone to work.
I'll be back soon. Don't worry.
Alright. Well, have fun.
Thanks. See you later.
See you later. Alright. So I got the house to myself. And I would love to just like turn off the brain, maybe play some video games, watch a movie or do something else, but we got work to do. We gotta do it tired. Gotta do it drained, but we got the fuel right here. We'll make it work. But yeah, for the next couple hours here until Celine gets back, we are going to be locking in and crushing out some work because some things can't wait till tomorrow. That'll conclude the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.